The legal representatives of the deceased employee seek compensation from the corporation by filing a claim petition before the accident tribunal, and the same is awarded or the matter remains pending before the tribunal stop. In such a case, the legal representatives of the deceased employee shall have no right to seek appointment on compassionate ground if compensation is awarded or the matter remains pending before the tribunal stop. If on the death of an employee of the corporation, his legal representative at the time of compassionate appointment files an application for the same in the prescribed format, then the application for appointment on compassionate ground has to be supplemented with an affidavit on a non-judicial stamp paper of rupees 10 by the legal representative that no claim petition against the corporation has been filed before any competent court, and also that no such claim shall be filed in the future, and if in future even if any of the legal representatives files a claim petition before MACT, then the employee shall have right to cancel my appointment without any notice, and that I won't file any case against such dismissal before any competent court. Stop para. According to the said regulation, the death of an employee of the corporation while traveling in a vehicle belonging to the appellant corporation cannot give rise to compensation under the Act as well as a claim for compassionate appointment in the appellant corporation. Stop. The question that arises for our consideration is whether the High Court was right in holding that Regulation 4 in bracket 3 is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. Stop. The reason given by the High Court to hold it unconstitutional is that whereas the dependents of the employee who died in an accident while on a vehicle owned by the appellant corporation are not entitled for compassionate appointment after claiming compensation under Act. The dependents of an employee who died in an accident while traveling in a vehicle not owned by the appellant corporation are entitled to get compensation under the Act against the owner of the vehicle or the insurance company as the case may be, as well as a right to claim compassionate appointment. Stop. The High Court was of the opinion that the dependents of employee of the corporation who died due to an accident while traveling in a vehicle of the corporation cannot be treated differently from dependents of employees who died in an accident while traveling in a corporation vehicle. Stop para. The corporation has carved out two classes of dependents of the deceased employees in respect of claims for compassionate appointment. Stop. The reason for the disqualification of the dependents of an employee who died in an accident involving the vehicle of the corporation is to avoid extra burden on the appellant corporation stock. In such cases, the appellant corporation has to pay the compensation under the Act and also to provide compassionate appointment to the dependents of the deceased employee stock in a case where the vehicle of the appellant corporation is not involved. In the accident, the compensation under the Act is not the liability of the appellant corporation stock. It cannot be said that the dependents of an employee who claim both compensation under the Act and compassionate appointment from the appellant corporation are on the same footing as the dependents of the deceased employee whose claim under the Act against a private owner or an insurance company and compassionate appointment from appellant corporation stock. The dependents of a deceased employee who claim compensation from the corporation under the Act and compassionate appointment from the appellant corporation from a separate class stock. It is well settled that though Article 14 forbids class legislation, it does not forbid reasonable classification for the purposes of legislation stock when any impunged rule or statutory provision is assailed on the ground that it contravenes Article 14 is its validity can be sustained if two tests are satisfied. Stop.